Yeah, now I got a focus. Cylinder 2 band 1, cylinder 3 misfire detector. Okay, it's good. Pending. I don't have a change in that. Let me shut off. Start. Change the light. Okay. Let me see. Total fuel is way up, about 40. Let me see if I bring out the RPM higher and see if any changes. Now the engine coolant temp is about 68 degrees. Yeah, 2000. Let's see 2000. Still no full count, around 2000 RPM. Total filtering is still really low. Let me see the oxygen sensor. Yeah, band 1 sensor 2 in the ring. Let me give a quick throttle. Band 1 sensor 1 air ratio sensor can't respond. Band 1 sensor 2 doesn't. The whole car kind of really lack of power. Now I see in band 1 sensor 2. Give it a little bit of quick throttle, full throttle. Response very slow. But it's doing something. You see lean. That's good now. Let's come back then. Let's just finish a relative completion test. Look really even to me. All the cylinders. I'm scoping the current waveform of all the ignition coils and the fuel injectors. The small run, I believe, for the injectors, the big run is for the ignition coils. The whole car still have a misfire, right? A misfire. But like I said, injectors have a nice waveform. I'll go look into that. And the moment I can is this over here. This for the ignition 20 amps fuse. So there I just using my fuse body to get a waveform. Alright, let me kind of stop for a second.